done a lot to the car recently because I'll take you outside in a minute and show you what I've done out there in the garage. But I've got the alternator mounted, I've got the carburetor on it, the fuel line running from the pump up to the carburetor, and I got the distributor in it. It's working now. The piece in the bottom of the distributor went bad. I replaced it. I've got it where it fired, but I haven't got the line from the fuel pump connected to a gas tank. I've got to order a fuel cell. So when I get that done, I'll accomplish a whole lot, and then I can crank it up and it'll run. I've also, originally I was going to put the Ford motor in it, 390, but since I put the Chevrolet 283 in it, I put the radiator up here, and I realized that what I can do, I can put a fan behind it. So now I'm going to build a shroud to go around here and use the fan. And I may even put the pusher in the front, the electric fan. But I got plenty of room here to do that. So this is what I've been working on, and I've got it done. But the last couple of weeks, last week, the Ford truck, the F-Gasser, the red one, I finished it up and I carried it back over to a garage tour that they had at the fellow that owned the car originally, a house, and he's in love with it. It was part of his youth, so we made a deal and I sold it back to him, and he's got the car back, and he got it 2 Saturdays ago, and he sits out in the garage and looks at the car, which I don't blame him. It brings back memories and all that.
And he shows it off to everybody who comes.
Everybody comes, and one thing that I like about it, and thank you Wendell for this, is he tells people, he said the only person that would have done this was Fred, and he finished it for me. Everybody else would have given up, and I really appreciate that. That's a very, very nice compliment. Thank you, Wendell. So let's walk out here and I'll show you what has happened out here.